Let's look at this example. Want to find the standard deviation. So we got, this is group data, even though there's not a range of values, it's just for one. When you just have one like that, after you download the group data descriptive statistics spreadsheet, the value of one you put into both lower class and upper class. My next one is the value of two. You put that both in lower class limit and upper class limit, and so forth. I've already got that filled in here, so I'm just going to put my frequency in there. Excuse me. 1, 8, 10, 5, 8, 14, 18, 10, 7, 3. And double check. 8, 10, 5, 8, 14, 18, 10, 7, 3. Okay, and this problem's asking us for the standard deviation. So that'll be our sample standard deviation. So our answer is 2.29632. Then round to whatever decimal place.